different yet compatible strategies of social organization, technology, and so on and so forth in order to effectively exploit that given environment. Now, as I say at the very bottom here, society's adaptation, it involves not just the ability to exploit the resources in that environment, but also to regulate population. Okay? So there is a relationship between the resources in a given environment and the number of people that those resources can support in that environment. And this is the major challenge for any human group, and that's to find a balance between the given resources and the population that those resources can support without destroying or harming the environment. An example of adaptation, and this is a group we may see next week after our exam, a small clip of a documentary on a group similar to Tsimbaga called the Dani. But in this case here, we'll talk about what horticulture is in a few minutes. But they are a horticultural group where they plant yams and a variety of other kinds of plants and vegetables and things like that, but they also raise pigs. Pigs are real important in their society. They generally don't eat pigs except on ceremonial occasions, birth, death, victory and warfare, certain other kinds of ceremonies and things like that. And your pigs, the number of pigs you have is important in terms of your ability to garner a degree of prestige. A big pig population is used for prestige in society. A big pig farm. Okay? So, however, the problem is that you want to make sure that, at least in this case here, that your pigs don't outrun the environment that these people find themselves in. So what do? If you don't eat pigs except on certain occasions, your pig populations can grow to be overly large. When they grow overly large, they end up breaking into gardens, into other people's gardens. They begin to demand more food and more work and attention and things like that. And so, as these pigs expand in number, it creates a series of problems. And that then triggers several things within these people. Okay? One of the things that it triggers is that, and I'm not going to get into this, but it generally triggers an end to hostilities with your surrounding neighbors that you may have political problems with. And what you're going to do is slaughter most of your pigs, have a huge festival,